Hello everyone. On this video we had the two trades and I cannot say that these trades were the best in my life. But we had the two different cases here. One of them with the breakout of the level and the second one with the fake breakout. So these particular two things make this video interesting. Hope you will have a fun. And the first trade was on the ZEC coin or ZEC coin. As we see on the chart, we have a strong resistance level and I'm expecting that we're going to break this level because we already came to it few times and we're staying on this level for a bit long time. So I'm expecting that the level will get break here. We might have a small correction here before we breaking the level. So this is what I'm expecting. A small correction before we breaking the level. So, and I already put my take profit positions and I put a grid of the prices where I'm planning to close, and I'm planning to close by portion. So the only thing left is just wait until the price will reach these levels, and the price doesn't go from the beginning to the right direction that I was expecting, but my expectation is to break this level and we're going to have a big pump of it because everybody seeing this level, everybody on the market can see that there is a resistance level and the price came to it few times, and most of the people that open short positions, they're putting their stop losses after this level. So when the price going to break this level, we're going to have a nice ride on the stop losses, and this brings a good pump it gives a good pump for the price, taking everybody's stop losses that open the short positions, and at the same time the people will start opening long positions here. I mean, when the breakout will start. So with this combination of two factors, we're going to have a good pump here. This is what I'm expecting. This is actually what you can expect when the price breaks the levels. This is happening like most of the times, like let's say 90% of the breakouts happens with the big pump. I mean, after the breakout there is a big pumps most of the time. So the same thing I'm expecting here. And why I don't think that we may have a fake breakout or we may have a pullback here, because as I said, the price already came for it few times, and this is the only reason why I'm thinking that we are not going to have a pullback. And overall the Bitcoin was increasing at that time, so these factors give an extra bonus, let's say, or extra benefit to think that long position are very suitable here. If there is anyone who is watching my videos and he wants maybe the stream session from me, so we might trade together, right? It doesn't sound so bad. So if you want to stream sessions from me, just leave a comment by saying yes, or leave me comments like that you want to see the streams on my channel. Or I'm thinking about to make a Telegram channel as well, maybe. Yes, with where I'm gonna share all my trades there, and if you will be interested by entering the same positions that I'm entering or the same trades that I'm doing, so you can see all the results there, and you might enter the position with me as well. So if you're interested in these things, leave me a comment. Let me see if you will support this idea. So I will spend my time on doing it, because the spending time on making the Telegram channels, I mean, it takes time to make the Telegram channels, and all the time make a post there. So if you want it, I will make it, and leave me comments for it. So as we see here, the small movement started, and I don't think that this is enough because, as I said, we have to have a good pump after the breakout. As I said, we're going to ride on all the stop losses that the people putting after the price. So is not that move that I'm expecting from the. And as I said, I already put the take profit and it's around 30% to my deposit. So the only thing left is just watch it. So let's take a time to watch how the price moving. Something like these movements I was expecting from this price, and this is the pump that I was telling to you. Exactly these moments I was telling to you, exactly these moments I was waiting for. This massive pump, as I said, the riding on their stop losses, people, I mean the people stop losses and the people who is opening long positions. These are massive movements we might see all the time, most of the time. Let me say most of the time. And this is my second trade, completely opposite situation to the one that we had before. Here we can see the Rune coin, Rune USDT, and we have a very strong resistance level. We came only once in like we came only once in 28th of December. I will show it at the end of the video that we came only one time. So this was the reason why I'm taking short from here. I don't think that with this price movement that we came to that level we're going to break it, because there was a, like, how we can say it, let's say a straight move, a straight upward move without having any consolidation on this level. And as I said, this was a strong level because we came to it last time in 28th of December, and after it we had a big pullback for like this, like for how many days, for like what, 6 days, for 1 week we had a pullback from this level, and we came a second time to this level. So as I said, I don't think that we're going to break it with this straight price movement to the level. We have to make some consolidation on this level before we're going to break it. So I'm taking short position here, and I'm thinking that we had a fake breakout. As we see, there is a small breakouts, and actually it's not even the breakouts, it's just a small movements. So I'm taking short here. With the order book, there is nothing interesting. There is no big prices. I mean, there is no big limits orders on the book. So this trades only on the. I'm working only with the resistance level here. Now let's just take a look on the price movement. And if if you are still not following me and you still didn't put a like to this video, it's not good. I'm waiting. Put a pause on it and go and press your subscribe button and press a like to this video, because as you see I'm putting a lot of energy to make these videos. I'm spending my time, and you have to put a like, right, for all my times that I'm spending on it. Just press a like and follow my channel. You will see a lot of more interesting trades, and you will take some knowledge for yourself. This is what I'm saying all the time, like, by watching the videos of someone, of how someone is trading, and watching the videos of how the people making the mistakes, you might take some knowledge and you can use it in your own way. So by watching my videos and by taking all this knowledge that I'm giving to you, you will be a successful trader by your own. Alright, you can open a laptop in front of you and start trading by yourself, because all the trades that I'm showing to you, I'm explaining them. I'm explaining why I have this one and why we have this situation on the markets. So press a like, right? Press a like and don't forget. And as we see the price, I think they closed some of my position here, right? Because I start closing with the grid of the price. And yeah, we we're seeing that this is what I was expecting. I was expecting a small pullback here, and we already have this small pullback, but I want to take a bit more. So I want to see how maximum we can go, so I decided to just increase my stop losses. And I think the price will take this order as well. No, yeah, but price takes us with the stop losses, and I think we took a maximum from this movement. And let me show you where we was. Exactly, this what I was saying at the beginning of the trades. We came to it on the 28th of December, and then we had a pullback for like how many days, right? For 6-7 days, and now we came again, and without pullback here, we are not going to break it. And this was the last trade, and I'll put a screen of how much we made on this trade. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you had a fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Wish you all the wealth.